It is finally here. I've been waiting 3 months to get this. This is the Aviation400 Air India 787-9, and I've been waiting for the past 3 months because I ordered it 3 months ago, and it's finally here. I'm really excited, and I'm gonna unbox it right. Firstly, I would like to thank JH Wings for sending this at such a perfect time because today is July 10th and it's my birthday, and coincidentally, this aircraft arrived at the exact same day. So that's pretty cool. So let's start unboxing this airplane. Here's the box, and it provided bubble wrap. Anyway, this is the Air India 787-9. It's registered Victor Tango Alpha Whiskey Alpha. It is Air India's first 787-9. They're bespoke 787-9, so they have 6 Vistara 787-9s right now, and they're currently in the Vistara livery, but this is their first one in their new livery. As you can see on the front, there's a registration, there's a scale, which is 1/400, Boeing 787-9, Aviation400's logo, Air India's logo on the side, the aircraft itself, on the bottom, the same things. On the right side is Air India, on the left side is Boeing 787-9, and on the back, it's just Air India. On the top, it's the same as the bottom, and yeah. Feels good. And here's the model. Wow. Wait, it's actually bigger than I expected. But okay. Oh, gosh. Okay, there. So this model comes with a stand, and it has detachable landing gears. Let's move this to the side. What is this ant doing here? Before we take that out, aircraft model manufacturers, because they don't even come with stands, so. Okay. And this is the stand. And then the main event, which is the Air India 787. Wow. There's just so much detail. I'm going to take out its gears. This one. And 2. And here. Here's a little side-to-side comparison with the A350, which I have. Right off the bat, I can clearly tell that this Dreamliner has way more details than the A350, but I'm not going to complain. They both are really good. So looking at the plane, we've got the cockpit window, Star Alliance logo, L1 door, the nose gear, and it has Alpha Whiskey Alpha right there on the door. We've got the Air India titles. We've got the beacon, which is actually 3D. Then we've got the L2 door, the IATA logo, the engines, very nice. We've got the L3 door. We've got the SATCOM box, Victor Tango Alpha Whiskey Alpha, the registration, the Indian flag, Dreamliner, L4 door, the beautiful tail, like, just look at that, it's shining. Then on the right wing, the registration, and yeah. On the bottom is the Air India logo, and the whole design. Here's the Dreamliner on the stand. Cool thing is that, look at that, it bends. I love it. And yeah, So all in all, based on my first opinions, I really think this model just so worth it. Like, the insane amount of detail is crazy. I never thought this is what it would look like in real life, but here it is. Here's the A350 and here's the 787, both of them together. Just looks so nice. I can't wait for them to be on my shelf. And I put this stand on the A350 and it actually works. And I feel like it just looks better on the A350 than the 787. I don't know why, it's just, it feels like it works. Maybe I might keep it that way. And here's my Air India shelf. It's a piece of art. All in all, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for the next videos. And I forgot to mention, I also received a little discount on this order because I used the code Mile High Aviation, so if you could help support him, use that code.